Assalamualaikum lovely viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of home decor with a focus on one of the most versatile and timeless colors, blue. From serene aquas to bold navy blues, this color has the power to transform any space in your home. In this video we will explore 5 beautiful ways to incorporate blue into your home decor. Let's get started. First up, we have the coastal elegance style. Think soft, pale blues reminiscent of the ocean and sky. To achieve this look, consider using light blue hues for your walls, curtains and even furniture. Combine these shades with whites and sandy neutrals to create a serene, beach-inspired atmosphere. Incorporate natural textures like jute or rattan to complete the coastal vibe. Next, let's explore the world of moody drama. Dark and deep blues like navy and indigo can create a sense of luxury and intrigue. If you are feeling bold, consider painting an accent wall in a rich navy tone or adding navy colored furniture as a statement piece. Pair these dark blues with metallic accents like gold or brass for a touch of glamour. Blue is a classic color that fits seamlessly into traditional decor styles. To achieve a timeless traditional look, opt for deep royal blues or French blues. Incorporate blue patterns such as toile or damask in your upholstery, curtains and throw pillows. Mix these blues with rich woods and antique-inspired furniture to create a sophisticated and elegant space. For a modern and fresh approach, explore using vibrant shades of blue. Turquoise, teal or cerulean can add a pop of color to your decor. Create an accent wall with bold blue paint or choose a vibrant blue sofa or chair to become the focal point of the room. Pair these bright blues with clean lines, minimalist furniture and touches of white for a contemporary feel. Lastly, let's embrace the tranquility of Zen-inspired decor. Soft and muted blues create a calming and serene ambience. Combine shades of blue with neutral tones like beige and grey. Consider adding blue accessories like ceramics, vases and cushions to bring a sense of serenity to your space. Incorporate natural materials like bamboo and stone to complete the Zen aesthetic. There you have it, 5 beautiful ways to use the color blue in your home decor. Whether you are drawn to coastal elegance, moody drama, timeless traditional, modern freshness or tranquil Zen, blue offers endless possibilities to transform your living space. Remember, the key is to find the shades and styles that resonate with you and make your home uniquely yours. Thanks for watching and be sure to hit that subscribe button for more home decor inspiration. See you in the next video.